Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on them. And right here all we have to do is to basically find the display and brightness. Let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got this option screen timeout, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. Here at the top we've got relatively short options, so 15 and 30 seconds, or we can use the minutes, so 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got the 5 minutes option applied, as you can see it is marked, and basically all you have to do in order to change it is to tap on the option like to use. So I will tap on 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked. After getting back to the display and brightness settings, you can see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.